Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CognitiveCoders. So today in this video we'll learn how to use GlobalTemp. So earlier video we have already watched how to use the temp view. Okay, so we found one drawback on temp view that we can't use temp view in different sessions. So first we'll understand the differentiation view. So after that, we'll count on this global template session. So differentiation. So what is differentiation? So part in part architecture, we have for the computation purpose we have part cluster, part cluster, and we have multiple notebooks. Notebook, one, notebook, two, notebook, three. Okay. So all the notebooks are linked with the same cluster. Okay. So whenever we are using the temporary view in notebook one, okay, it is only we can use in notebook one for the SQL perform. Okay, that that temporary view. We can't use that temporary view in notebook two and notebook three. Okay, so that's why it's a temporary view. For using the same view in the other notebooks, means the other sessions, we need to create the global tendency. So if we will create the global tendency here, so it will directly store in the part cluster. Okay, it will directly store in the part cluster. So then we can access it from any of the notebook which is attached with the same part cluster. Okay, so I think you guys have understood. So still I'm once again iterating. तो यहाँ पे जो हम लोगों ने पहले लास्ट वीडियो में एक टेम्पररी व्यू बनाया था एक नोटबुक पे, वो वाला नोटबुक के सिवा किसी और सेशन मीन और नोटबुक में हम लोग वो सीक्वल एक्टिविटीज के लिए यूज नहीं कर सकते। तो इसीलिए सॉल्यूशन है कि हम लोग ग्लोबल टेम व्यू बनाए जो ग्लोबली एक्सेप्टेबल हो, जो कि पार्ट क्लस्टर में डायरेक्टली सेव हो जाएगा। सो जो भी नोटबुक वो सेम स्पार्क क्लस्टर से कनेक्टेड है तो उसको एक्सेस मिल जाएगा वो टेम्प। अगर थ्री में भी चलाओ तो थ्री का भी एक्सेस मिल जाएगा, वो जो ग्लोबल टेम्प व्यू तुम बनाओगे। Okay, this is the main funda of global TMView. This is the basic thing. Okay, I'll go through the hands-on. Then it will be more clarified. Okay, for you guys. Just see the total video without skipping it. Okay. So coming to this, ये पहले हम लोगों ने एक टेम्पररी व्यू बनाया था। अगर तुम लोगों ने ये वाला वीडियो नहीं देखा, प्लीज गो टू माय चैनल and see the videos here. Okay, all the videos are in sequence and also the temp view videos is here. Please watch the video first and after that come to this video, otherwise you will not able to understand the whole thing. Okay, and if you want you can also watch all the videos are in sequence. If you are a beginner in Spark, then it will be very much useful for you guys. Okay, so coming to the video. So for creating the global trend view, so what we need to do? We just need to change the syntax. Okay, this will for the normal temporary view, what we used to do, create or replace temp view. Here just we need to add the global. Create the syntax is create or replace global temp. Okay, so after that, normally whatever your name, whatever your team view name you can add here. I'm adding my global. Okay, so I have added it. So directly I will query will output from here. So I'm running this query. What is the issue? So the table or view, the student global team view can't find. तो इन लोग ये अभी इसको ये तो हम लोग क्रिएट तो कर लिया, पर इसको अभी ढूंढ नहीं पा रहा है। क्यों? बिकॉज दिस ग्लोबल टेम्पररी व्यू ऑलवेज इज गेटिंग स्टोर्ड इन ए डेटाबेस, ग्लोबल डेटाबेस, जो स्पार्क क्लस्टर में होता है। ओके, स्पार्क कैटलॉग में एक ग्लोबल डेटाबेस होता है जहां पे स्टोर होता है ये कैटलॉग वाला चीज। आई विल टीच यू इन आवर इन फ्यूचर वीडियो। ओके, फॉर नाउ जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस ग्लोबल टेम व्यू विल स्टोर इन ए global database. Okay, so for the database name is global team. It's a default global database Spark for this Spark backend architecture. Okay, global team. So database dot the table. So basically temporary view it's a table, temporary view or global view it's a table. ओके, तो हम लोग टेबल को कैसे क्वेरी करते हैं? पहले डेटाबेस नेम, आफ्टर दैट वी नीड टू प्लेस द टेबल नेम। so I have maintained that decorum. Okay, global temp is our database where the global temporary view getting stored. Okay, so now I'm querying it. Okay, I'm getting the data. If I'll change it here, city also I'll query here. I'll get if I directly use here the SQL from talking in okay. So this is the basic funda of the temporary. We can for the global temp view how we can query it from another notebook. I'll show you. Can also query it any of the notebook now. Which but the notebook should be attached with the same cluster. Okay. In which cluster you have created the temporary view, the cluster should be same. Okay, so now if I run cluster after, it will get it. This is basic thing, very much basic thing. Okay, finally to our previous notebook. So whatever database, yeah, so whatever database we the global team view is getting saved in whatever database that that I have already told you that global team. So if you want to see that database, that how many temporary global views are there, tables are there. So for that you can use this. तो बेसिकली कैटलॉग जो ग्लोबल टेम का डेटाबेस है, तो वहाँ पे कौन कौन सा ग्लोबल टेम व्यू तुम क्रिएट कर रहे हो वो भी तुम यहाँ से चेक कर सकते हो। ये कैटलॉग पे जाओ, डेटाबेस कैटलॉग इससे वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग। ओके, आई विल explain it later. Okay, for now, just to see. Recently, I have created this global template. You can see that student in view also here. It is giving, but as I'm searching it in this notebook, and for this in this notebook only we have created in the temporary view also earlier. Also, if you want to see that for now in which database you are working, for that purpose also you can use this command. Dot of current database, current database shifts only right current data. Current database is default. Now I will search the default one. You can see our temporary view of. So I think you have understood the funda of this temporary view and global view. Okay. Please do practice by yourself, then it will be more clarified for you. And if you have any doubt, please comment on the video comment section. Okay. I think you have liked this video. If you are thinking that my videos are useful, please do like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Cognitive Coders. I'm continuously uploading these past videos, and I'll start uploading the SQL videos also and the Python videos also. Please do like, share, and press the subscribe button for getting the notification for the upcoming videos. Please support us. You guys' support is very much required for us. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.